Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Art Gallery on your LG Smart TV. To start using Art Gallery, you have to open the pre-installed LG Gallery or Art Gallery or a Gallery application depending on your OS version. So open the LG Gallery. In my case, it's LG Gallery Plus. Most probably in yours, it should be too, unless they changed it. After that, you're gonna have to select one of the categories you see on the screen. So from this dashboard, let's select the LG Gallery Plus free content, and we will be presented with various artworks. Select the one that you like, or select some of them that you like, and you will see. You will also see the total size of all of the items that you selected right here. So once you selected all that you like, select play to see what they look like. Okay, images and videos cannot be played simultaneously. I think this one is a video, so let's just select images instead. Now play. Then let's download the content. Of course, you're gonna have to be connected to the internet to download the content. Okay, and here's the first image. And if you want to put it on your screensaver, select press OK button and then select set as always ready. Okay. Or we can also navigate to other pictures and select them as always ready instead. Then if you tap the down arrow icon, you will also be able to change the view type, the transition speed, the background music, add some of them to favorites, or change the power off timer. Okay, let's go back. We can also play videos here. Videos are pretty cool too. Those are pretty much the artwork videos. So let me, for example, play this one. We can also add it to our always ready menu, so to our screensaver. Now you can change background music here, but you're gonna have to have the external music device connected to your TV to do that. Let's go back to the gallery. And besides, you can also you can also set the music as your for your background. Once again, you're gonna have to have some external device to do so. Then the photos, if you want to put your own photos in the background, so select connect to Google Photos. If you want to add your own photos to the gallery, or you can also use the ThinQ application on your mobile device, and if you used it to set up your TV, then all you have to do is scan the QR code you see on the screen with your smartphone, then open the app. And after that, select the always ready feature, which you can find right here at the bottom of this menu. Now select use my photos and select the photos that you want to use. Then tap done. Okay, we're gonna have to select at least 10 photos, it says. So let's do so. Okay, 2 more. And tap done. And now let's prepare our selected photos. And as you can see, we can easily send pictures to our TV using the applications that we used to we used to set up our TV with. Okay, let's exit the application. Let's reopen it. Let's right now check the photos section right here, and here we have all the photos that we added right now. We can check them and see what they look like on our TV. So it's not quite what you'd expect to have as a screensaver, but that's basically how that's how you can do it. So let's go back. Here we also have briefing feature, and you can also customize it. So you can change the clock view here. And if you want to set your briefing as always ready, just select set always ready as always ready right here. And that's pretty much it. Here we have some free content that we can use as always ready. And below we have some apps that will provide some additional content to our gallery. You can also check them out, and I recommend checking them out. Windows side provides you with the gallery of free artworks, for example. So surely check this one app out. And that's basically how you use your gallery. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.